Hello, English for Fun families. We're going to sing one of our favorite songs, Slippery Fish. Let's do it. Slippery fish, sliding in the water. Slippery fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, he's been eaten by an octopus. Octopus, swimming in the water. Octopus, octopus, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, he's been eaten by a tuna fish, flashing in the water. Tuna fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, he's been eaten by a dun 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 great white shark, lurking in the water. Great white shark, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, he's been eaten by a humongous whale, sprouting in the water. Humongous whale, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, I ate too much. He's okay. He just ate too much. He has a full belly. He ate a slippery fish, an octopus, a tuna fish, and a big white shark. That is a big meal. But he's okay. Bye-bye, friends. Thank you so much. See you soon.